Hi all, welcome to another video of PrimeNG Angular series. In this video, I am going to explain about PrimeNG Editor. This is an HTML editor and how we will implement this HTML editor inside the PrimeNG. Okay, so for that, we have to import this editor module. So before importing this editor module, there is some dependency for this PrimeNG editor. First we have to install that one. Okay, for that, if you coming down to the PrimeNG editor tutorial, you can see a dependency called Quill. Okay, so this Quill needs to be installed first. So you can copy this one and go to your application. Inside your project folder, you can paste that npm install Quill, save. Once that has been installed, you can see go and the package.json, the Quill has been installed. The version is 1.3.7 version. The next step is like we have to go to the angular.json file. So you can see here the next step, we have to add the script of the Quill.js and we have to add the styles for showing the HTML editor in the PrimeNG. Okay, the first step is go to the script file and we have to paste all this. I am not pasting dot simple, but instead you can see in the styles also it can start from the node module. So I'm just pasting from. So first will be the script file. Okay, so I'm putting double quotes and I have pasted in the angular.json. Sorry, if you see in the angular.json, there will be a styles and script file. In the script file, I have copy pasted this quill.js file, and the next one is the style. We have two CSS file needs to be imported. So the first core CSS file of the Quill will import after putting a comma in the styles array. So let me add the double quotes. Then you can copy from the node modules, because everything else I have copied starting from the node modules itself. Okay, so the next one is node modules, no CSS, double quotes, save. Once this has been done, what we can do is like you can run npm start, because once we done the changes in the angular.json, we have to do the npm start again. So I'm typing npm start again. It is running successfully. The next step is we will implement the editor in one of our HTML pages. Okay, so in order to implement the editor, there is a module called editor module that needs to be imported first. For that, I am going to the component file which I need this editor. So there is only one module in my project. If you have multiple modules and if it is lazy loading, accordingly you can import this particular PrimeNG module or the editor module in that particular module.ts file. Now since I am having only one app.module.ts, I am importing inside that one itself. So this is the editor module, and in the import section I am pasting editor module. The next one is forms module. So if I am using in this particular demo, I am using ng model. If you are using form control name, what you can use is you can use a reactive form. So now I am not using the reactive, I am using the ng model. So for that I am importing forms module as well from the Angular forms. So editor module and the forms module I have imported. The next step is there is one P editor. So I am just going to the corresponding HTML file and pasting just a P editor ng model with the variable I am giving HTML editor. Then I am creating this variable in the component.ts file and I am making it as a string. And I am initializing with an empty string. Save it. Here also I am saving it. Once you open the localhost 4200, you can see the editor is coming now. So if I type something and if I click on it, I can apply the bold, italics, the line, everything I can apply it. So this is how we will implement the editor. The next thing is, if you want to customize this editor, you don't want normal sans serif, or you only need this bold, italics, underline stuff, or you want to customize this particular header section, you can also customize it. For that, what you can do is go to the PrimeNG website and you can see there are different header template editing option is available. Unfortunately, this is not working for me, so I have tried from here. Go to the source file and you can take this ng template header section, and in the button one is bold, italic and underline, so you can copy that fully and paste it. So you can see it only shows bold, italics and underline. So if you want to know more about which are the different options available, what you can do, here in the toolbar section there is a Quill documentation. So go to the Quill documentation. In that there are different options are available. So you can see another add font size drop down. So you can simply copy this one and paste it here. See, this is coming now, and so different sections are available in this documentation itself. So you can go through each and every options available based on the requirement of your project. Okay, so this is all about PrimeNG editor section. And in the documentations you can add the style classes, placeholders, so other options are also available. And if you want to trigger some changes or actions accordingly, you can work on text change, on selection change, and on it options are also available for this one. So this is a very simple editor you can integrate in the PrimeNG with the help of Quill. That's all about the PrimeNG editor.